channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make it look like you have paper going through your hand. This looks quite simple and easy to do. I'm using both latex and wax today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a piece of newspaper. You can use paper or a book or anything you have. And I'm going to put some latex around the edges of it. You're then going to place it on your hand. Using the inside of your hand is better than using your backhand, so I'm going to place it in the middle here. And try and smooth out any creases. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some wax, and I'm using this wax by Ben Nye. And I'm going to roll it into little strips like this, and I'm going to go around the edges of the paper. I'm then going to start to smooth them out. This is what it should look like. With this look, you really want to make sure that the edges are smoothed out so it doesn't look like it's not attached to your hand. The next thing I'm going to do after this is I'm going to get some fake blood, and I'm going to go around the inside of the wax. It will then look something like this. With this look, you can either leave it like this and it will look like that, or you can exaggerate it a bit more. So for me, I'm going to make it a bit more exaggerated, and I'm going to use my stipple sponge and I'm going to go around the edges of the wax, just to make it look like it has had like an impact injury. So I'm going to stick around the edges. And that is my finished look. If you like what you see, then please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. Bye!